During the summer I don't have access to my workshop, so I do a lot of designing and some leather work. And I really miss my workshop now. This coming fall I'll be doing a lot more woodworking, that is a promise. I haven't been selling the stuff I make, even though I get the question every now and then. And there are 3 reasons why. And reason number 1 is what is usually referred to as imposter syndrome. It's basically doubting your own skills. And when I make stuff, there are always imperfections. I just have to get over that. Nothing is ever perfect. And the other reason is that I don't really enjoy manufacturing. I enjoy the design part and making the stuff once, and that's usually it. But that is also the reason why I tend to give away my plans or to sell them. That way you can make it too, and to perfection if you wish. And I'll get to the 3rd reason in a bit. I'm making a leather case for sunglasses, and I designed this in Illustrator, and it took me about 5 to 6 hours. Now, making these takes me around 1 to 2 hours in total. So how much would you expect to pay for something like this? How much is your time worth? Say each one of these cases cost me around $7 or $8, and that is just the material. Third reason why I haven't done so much selling is that there is a discrepancy between what I have to charge and what people are expecting to pay. Or at least what a leather case for sunglasses normally costs. So here's the deal. And this is mainly for people who have no idea how much work it goes into actually making things. So the stuff you usually get at your local store or whatever, it's rarely made by hand. It's rarely as good a quality. It definitely isn't unique. And you should definitely try to support the small creators out there. If I were to sell these, I would probably have to charge $50 to $60 at least. But these will outlast you if you just take care of them. But if you were to get something around $10, they will definitely break within your lifetime. Or you would just lose it because you don't cherish it. Also, if you paid much for it, you tend to care more about it than you would for something that was cheap. At least that's the case for me. I am almost done with this, but in the meantime, I would like to tell you about the 3 Northern Makers podcast. It is a podcast with Steve from Steve Bell Creates, Andy from Potato Woodworks, and me talking woodworking, making, and just life stuff. The podcast can be found on all major platforms, and we do have an Instagram account as well. So if you have some time over, go check it out. Alright, so that's it. This is the 3rd case I've finished, and these are from my wife. But if you want to make these, there's a link down in the description where you can download them from my website, or if you're a Patreon, you'll get every pattern for free. I don't know, I might start making these in the future and selling them, but for now I'm so curious about new interesting stuff that I want to make that I simply don't have the time to make these. But I might in the future, so keep a lookout on my Instagram. And what are your thoughts about making stuff and selling them? Please leave a comment down below, I'd love to hear about it. You probably didn't see all the flies covering me all the time. They were really bothering. Alright, so that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Look at these cows just chilling by the beach. It's like a 5-star hotel for cows.